Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmades.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I am going to be sharing with you my August customer thank you cards. I am featuring the Time for Tags stamp set. This is a host stamp set available for free with Stampin' Rewards when you place an order of $150 or more in my online Stampin' Up! Store. We have some really great host stamp sets available right now and more to come with the new holiday catalog approaching. And I am pairing the stamp set with the Timeless Tags Punch, which coordinates with this set. Really great punch, perfect for punching out a lot of different sentiment. So the design that I'm going to share with you today is actually this design changed up just a little bit, and I created this card the other day for one of my team challenges. We had to use, the theme was balloons, so I chose this image from that Time for Tags stamp set. But for my customer thank you cards, I loved this design, so I decided to use this for the customer thank you cards. And I just moved this over to the left, but I'm going to show you how quick and easy these cards are, and they're so much fun. And I decided to create these cards in the 2018-2020 in colors because for my August gift, I am giving the Happiness Blooms enamel dots, and these feature the in colors. I think this is maybe Night of Navy, or is it? I don't know, maybe it is. Nope, yeah, I think this color is Night of Navy, but the other colors are the same as the 2018-2020 in colors. So I thought it was perfect to feature those colors in the cards since this is the gift. So remember, when you spend $75 during the month of August in my online Stampin' Up! Store, you receive these as a gift. So $75 or more, you're gonna get these as a gift from me. If your orders over the course of the month do not reach $75, you'll still get a sampling of these as a gift from me. So remember, you don't have to spend $75 all at once. It can be multiple orders throughout the month that total up to $75 or more to get this as the free gift. All right, so let's go ahead and get started doing our stamping. So I've got some Whisper White cardstock here and my Pineapple Punch ink. I'm gonna bring in that Hooray for You image from the Time for Tags stamp set, and I'll just stamp that right here. Okay, then I'm going to bring in my Pineapple Punch card base. This is cut 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches, and I have scored it at 4.25 inches. And I'll just give that a nice crease with my bone folder. I'm going to bring in some scratch paper, and we are going to start stamping our background. And I'm going to use that same image to do my background stamping, and I'm doing tone on tone, stamping in Pineapple Punch onto my Pineapple Punch cardstock. I'm going to start in the bottom left-hand corner and stamp at an angle going all the way up at a diagonal on this card front. Now, this is a lot easier to do when you don't have a camera directly above your head, so I'm hoping I don't get my head in there. I'm going to try my best to line this up, just eyeballing it. If that bothers you, you could be more exact and use a ruler, but I'm just going to eyeball it. There you have it, a fun hand-stamped background. I love it. Then I've got that Timeless Tag Punch here. I'm just going to punch out our other stamped image, center that up. Punch. Then I used the stitched rectangle dies to die cut this piece of vellum, so you've got that nice little stitched edge all around. Then I'll just flip that vellum over and add a couple of dimensionals onto the back, and we are going to put that on right over here off to the left, so just like that. And then on the back of here I'll do a couple more dimensionals, and this will cover up the dimensionals that we've got beneath the vellum, so you won't even see those there. And there you have it, a quick and simple card. So much fun. I love this card. All right, so there you have it, my August customer thank you cards. So thank you so very much to everyone who has shopped with me during the month of August. I truly appreciate you guys more than you know. So I hope that you are looking forward to receiving one of these super cute cards in the mail as a little gift from me, along with your Happiness Blooms enamel dots. So don't forget, I do have all of the measurements and supplies for today's project over on my coordinating blog post, which is also linked down below in the video description. You can also find all of the supplies in the video description with clickable links, plus a direct link to my online Stampin' Up! Store. I would love it if you would shop with me. So thank you guys so much. I hope that you've enjoyed, and I will be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.